Good morning. In this video, we'll be talking about indicial equations. Indicial equations are of this form that the variable is an index. You discover that what we want to look for here is we have 3x minus what? 1. It means we are asked to look for the value of x. So if you come across equations of this form, they are known as what? Indicial equations. Please, I want you to subscribe and share this video to your loved ones who are in university, polytechnic, college of education, and even those who want to take WAEC and JAM. Thank you and God bless you. Okay, now this example says solve for x. Amen. Solve for x. So how do we solve for x? Let's write solution first. I'm going to break it down for you. It is not difficult. Is that clear? Mathematics is not difficult. Sometimes it depends on who is teaching you mathematics. If not, mathematics is a very interesting course. Okay, so let's look at this idiot. You know very well that I know some persons want to solve this particular indicial equation in different way, but if care is not taken, you won't arrive at the answer. Amen. So I'm going to show you the normal way that is supposed to use, the normal method that you are supposed to use to solve this particular problem, so that you will obtain the value of x. Okay, now before I solve this idiot, what I want us to know is that in the laws of indices, you are going to apply indices here. Laws of indices. Let's recall laws of indices. Amen. Laws of indices. Okay, so if you agree with me, because of this place, I want to introduce division law. You know, if we have a raised to the assuming power b minus c, this is known as, we can transform this idiot this way, that is a raised to the power b all over a. It means this and this, they are the same thing. Is that clear? It's because of 9 raised to the power of 3x minus 1. That is why I'm introducing this. So, raised to power c. Okay? So, this and this, they are the same thing. It means you apply laws of indices. That is a division law. This is a division law. Amen? This is division law. Okay? It means you apply division law. Okay? So it means we are going to apply division law here. Is that clear? So let us apply division law here. Let's write. Here we are going to have 9 raised to the power of 2, all in brackets, 9 raised to the power of 3x, all over, since here is 1, so it's just all over 9, since the bases are the same. So all over 9 equals to the 3 raised to the power of what? 2, amen? Okay? So if you agree with me, now what we need to do, we will cross multiply. If we cross multiply, the left answer will now be 9 raised to the power 2, all in bracket, 9 raised to the power of 3, close bracket, equals to 3 raised to the power 2 dot 9. Because if you use this one to multiply this is how it will look like. Please, this is not point, this is dot times 9. So take note. Or let's do it this way for the sake of malleance. Okay. So if you can see what I am saying, amen. This is 9 raised to the power of 2, open bracket, 9 raised to the power of 3 equals to, this is the same thing as what? 9. Because if we have, note, 3 raised to the power 2, this is the same as 3 times 3, true or false? It will give you what? 9. So this is 9 dot 9, amen. So here, the right answer, we are going to apply multiplication law, yes. Since the bases are the same, so the right hand side will now be will now be equals to 9 raised to the power of 1 plus 1, true or false? So here we're going to give you 2, 9 raised to the power 2, only bracket 9 raised to the power 3x is equals to 1 plus 1 will give you what? 2. So you can now see that this and this will go, true or false, or you write by saying divide through by 9 raised to power 2. It's the same thing. So if this and this go, here the left answer will now be 9 raised to power 3 equals to 1. True or false? Amen. So if you agree with me, these are indicial equations. We are asked to find the value of what? X. How do we find the value of x? Look at the right hand side. Something is raised to power 3x, but the right hand side is just 1. So what are we going to do? We still recall indices 0 log. Is that clear? That is 0 log implies that since the right hand side is 9, make sure the left hand side is 9 raised to power something. Make sure the right hand side too should be 9 raised to power something, so that you can cancel out to obtain the value they asked you to. Okay, thank you. So let us recall 0 law. 0 law implies that if a raised to power 0 is 1, since here is 9, so 9 raised to power 0 is 1. You discover that it means this and this, they are the same thing. So instead of this one, we write 9 raised to power 0. So here will be 9 raised to power 3 equals to 9 raised to power 0. Okay? Do you agree with me? So if you agree with me, this and this will cancel. If this and this cancel, we are going to have 3x equals to 0. Amen? We are asked to find the value of x, not 3x. Is that clear? So what we need to do, we divide through by 3. If we divide through by 3, this is what we'll have. 3x all over 3 equals to 0 all over 3. This and this will cancel. X is equals to 0 all over 3. 0 all over 3, therefore, 0 all over 3 is equals to 0. This is the answer. Is it difficult? Any question? Okay? No question? Oh, thank you and God bless you.